Alright Glenn, here we go. This is the Harley Davidson truck that we have for sale. I'll get a quick shot of everything for you. This is an ARE fiberglass cover right here. It's going through the service department right now and everything's getting checked out. I apologize for the background noise. It does have some body damage on it. As you can see, there's some dents in the rear tailgate. Tires are in good condition. Okay. Does have some hail damage. And then of course I put the hood up so you can see the hail damage on the hood. Okay. Step side rail. We'll take a quick pause and open the doors. Oh no. Here's the interior. Leather's in really good condition. Come back here to the back seat for you. Got your buckets back here. And of course the DVD and the sunroof. Okay. We'll come over here and take a look at the engine. Alright Glenn, there you go. Give me a call. 324-0700, area code 806.